today I'm going to be unboxing the wall lamps and curtain set. The microwave cabinet. And red roof tower home! Yay! So I bought these with my birthday money and I ordered them from the Sylvanian family shop in London. So I'm going to open Red Roof Tower Home first. So I'll move these out of the way, if I can reach it, over the box. I'm so excited to open this. So here is some flooring, or the ceiling I think. And there's some instructions and things in here, and there is a storybook. We'll open that in a minute. There's a box, we'll find out what's in there soon. So I've got the rest of it out. Oh, here's the little roof part to go on top. And here is Lyra Persian, the Persian cat sister. So I think that's really good that this house comes with a figure. So I'll get her out. Ow! Bit my nail back on the elastic bit trying to get her arm out. That hurt. So here she is. Her name is Lyra, and she's wearing a lovely pink dress with like a yellow bit on top. Looks so pretty, and she's so furry as well. She's so cute. So I'll put her over there for now, whilst I get the house out. There's lots of cardboard. It's well packaged. Wow. It's massive. Right, that is empty now, so I'll just move the box out of the way. Right, so here is the house. Wow, it's got like a really posh front door. It's got lots of like flowery bits on it. Wow, I love it so much. And there's also the lift in there, which is really cool. That goes up this side bit here. Right, so now I'm going to put this bit which goes on top of there, like that. I'm guessing I just put that on there now. I'll have to look at the instructions in a minute. I'll open this box. Scissors. Ooh, so there's some fences in there to go at the archways at the side so you don't just fall out. Like, ah. A bit dangerous if you didn't have the fences. So I'll get those out. These look really fancy. And there's another one as well. Ooh, and there's this bit, which I'm not sure what that's for yet. I'm guessing it's something to do with the top roof part and the weather vane, which is like a cockerel on it, so that's cool. Because I think the weather vane controls the lift. And there's also some furniture, yay! And that's really cool that it comes with a table and chairs, because some houses don't come with anything, like no figures or no furniture. So it's good when one comes with furniture and a figure. So that's really cool. So here's the table. It's got like a flowery bit around the edge. Looks really pretty. And also the chairs have a flowery bit on the back. So that's cool. Move this out of the way for now. Oh yeah, and there's this flooring, which I guess goes in the top somehow. I might read the instructions first. Move this out of the way. Oh. Right, so we've got a storybook. So I'll show you the pictures in that. It's so cute. I'll move this out of the way for now. And this is, ooh, a catalogue. This is quite a big catalogue. I think it's got quite a few pages. Let's show you a few. Very quickly, I'll just flip through them all. Cool. Might do another video showing all of the little catalogues. Right, this is the instructions. Yeah, I don't think I was supposed to put this on yet. I think that weird little thing goes on first. Can't even see, I'm too small. Right, that just goes on like that. And then we put this on. You don't just rush ahead and randomly put things on if you actually read the instructions. And then, this goes, and this one next. Yes, I think so. Maybe. If I can get it on. It just shows putting it on. I can't get it on there. I'll be back in a minute. Right, so I've now put the floor in the top. I managed to get the weather vane on, I just wasn't pushing hard enough. And I put the fences either side on the first floor so you don't fall out and hurt yourself. And I was looking at the instructions and I saw it says how to put the curtains on, which will be helpful for when I unbox that in a minute. Right, I think I'm done with the instructions. Right, I'll show you the lift. Not that I can see the lift now. This is quite hard. Okay, I'll put Lyra in there, and then I'll turn the weather vane, and hopefully it goes up. I can see through the window. That's good. And then it reaches the floor, and then it opens up. So that's really cool. The door opens itself. All the way to the top. Oh no, I've knocked the thing off. Oh no. Still works though. There we go. Right, it's back on. It's all good. Now she's at the top, I think. If I could see. Not really see. Oh yeah, there she is. And she's at the top floor. So that's really cool. So now I'll put the table and chairs in at the bottom. So cool, I love it. It's probably my favourite house. I just love the lift. And going down. Bye bye. Woo! That's so cool. It's like, woo, it opens. Oh, it opens there. That's so cool. That is so cool, I love it. Right, so now I'm going to unbox the other two sets that I got. So do the microwave cabinet next. Wow, it didn't even come with a catalogue or anything. Like normally all sets come with a catalogue. It's not got one. Saving paper and trees, that's good. Oh, I didn't show you the box first. Here's the box. It shows what it comes with. So that's cool. Now I'll show you the actual microwave cabinet. Oh, it's so cute. Love it. It's got even like a little cut out bit at the top there, which I think is flowers maybe? Yeah. It's got like flowery patterns in the windows. You can put like pans or whatever you want under there. That's so cool. I love it. It's not as tall as I thought it would be. But I suppose kind of looks right that height. Don't know why I imagined it to be taller. And here is the microwave. Oh, that's so cool. And then when you turn this, it changes to be red. Have you done that yet? Yeah. Oh, I love it. That is so cool. So you can see like it's actually on and hot and red. So that's good. I love it. Oh, that is so cool. I love it so much. And in here is, ow, I just pulled my hair. A pie in a lovely little red dish. And a tray for it to go on. So I'll put that in the microwave. Woo. Oh, it's even got like shelves inside the microwave. That is so cool. And then I'll turn it. I'll close the door first before I turn it on. And turn the dial. Yeah, I can't do it. And that's turned on. That is so cool. I love it so much. I'm going to put this inside my house. put it in this archway. I think I can move that along. And put it here. Oh, that's so cool. I love it. Right. Oh, now I've got the wall lamps and curtain set to unbox. I've already cut it. Don't need to. So I'll show you the picture on the box and on the front. So now let's open it. Oh, that's so cool. So there's these little ribbons to like tie up the curtains. That's really cute. And the light and oh, the curtains. They're so pretty. And there's also, oh, it stuck to me. Ugh. There's also some instructions of how to put it together. Right. So I'll probably go and do that now and then I'll be back. Right, so I've now finished putting the curtains and lights in. And also there's one light there. And I've got one curtain, 2 ribbons and 1 light left over. So I'll use that in a different house. It looks so cool. And I really love this bit, like where the lift like opens up. Looks really pretty. So I'll show you it from the front again, close up. Oh, there's even like flowers here and on there. Wow, it's just so detailed. This has got to be like the most detailed house. It's amazing. Like the door, like a knocker and everything. It just looks so detailed. And the letterbox at the bottom. And there's flowery bits on here. And there's even a little lock here on the shutters. Like the detail is just amazing. I love it so much. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.